A lot of you watching this right now probably feel stuck. You have big goals, big dreams, but the issue, your brain's all over the place. Your attention span is shot, shorter than a goldfish's, and you're glued to endless scrolling. Sound familiar? What's wild is you want better grades. You want to level up, be smarter, more attractive, more successful, but you're unknowingly making it so much harder for yourself. If you're new here, I'm someone who loves helping modern men become high-value individuals. I've managed a 4.0 GPA by studying just 2 hours a day. I balance my studies with hobbies, a social life, and still perform well academically. The key? I fixed my brain to work at its best. If you're already thinking about skipping ahead or speeding this up, pay close attention. In this video, I'm giving you 5 habits to regain control of your brain and transform your life. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Leave your phone out of the bathroom. This might sound minor, but it's a sneaky time waster. Scrolling on your phone in the bathroom, you're not being productive, just distracted. Instead, use that time to be mindful. Without your phone, you'll save at least 20 minutes a day and feel more present and focused. Habit 2. Airplane mode during work. When you're studying or working, switch your phone to airplane mode. This cuts off distractions and helps you enter a deep focus state. You'll accomplish in 2 hours what others take all day to do. Emergencies? Don't stress. 99% of the time, everything's fine. Habit 3. Walk more. Walking is like a natural brain booster. Even 20 minutes can enhance your focus and energy. If you can, aim for 8,000 steps daily. Walking outside, especially in the morning sunlight, sharpens your mind and improves your mood. Habit 4. Read daily. Reading trains your brain to seek fulfillment through learning. Whether it's business, psychology, or self-improvement, start small, just 10 minutes a day. Books like Atomic Habits or Ikigai are great to kick off your journey. Habit 5. Have meaningful conversations. Deep, engaging conversations with friends or family recharge your mind. Be present, share ideas, and solve problems together. This kind of social time boosts creativity and focus when you return to your work. Follow even one of these habits, and I guarantee you'll see a difference. If this video helped, share it with someone. As always, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.